DC Water initiated the construction of the Northeast Boundary Tunnel to connect with the existing Washington, D.C. sewer system. The intention of the project is to mitigate sewer flooding associated with substantial population growth over the past century, thereby improving the water quality of the Anacostia River.
Crux worked on the project 3 separate times at 2 locations. The work started in 2019 and ultimately finished here in 2021. Crux's scope of work at both locations includes installing permanent casing. It's about a 4.5-inch diameter steel casing that's threaded that we're able to drill to whatever the final depth is needed for the freeze contractor. With that, as we drill that in to depth, we then permanently grout in the casing, and this ends up being an outer sealed casing that the freeze contractor is able to install their freeze tubes into for doing the freeze down of each site.
Ground freezing is used extensively in the tunneling industry and provides temporary ground reinforcement during excavation activities.
The first phase of work that Crux completed on the project was at the 4th Street Avenue shaft. At that location, Crux installed approximately 39 horizontal freeze pipes ranging from 60 feet in length out to about 100 feet in length. At the Florida Ave site, Crux installed a total of 33 freeze pipes. The pipes ranged in length from approximately 60 feet to a total depth of 100 feet.
One of the primary challenges on the project was access to the installation sites. Equipment had to be delivered to staging yards in congested DC neighborhoods, then lowered into a 26-foot diameter shaft.
On the project, Crux used our custom fabricated drills. With that, they have the ability to break down into smaller pieces when they need to be craned in or out. They are able to work within a very confined work location.
Another challenge was successfully drilling horizontally below the water table and in soft ground conditions.
Because the drill locations were 100 feet below ground level, Crux was working within the water table. To be able to successfully drill and install pipes in those locations, Crux installed drill-through diverters, which allowed us to channel the inflow of fluid and cuttings returned back through settling tanks and process that material. All 3 phases of work that were performed on the project really were quite successful. All work was performed on schedule and budget with no safety incidences.